Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 18. Hi, I am number 18. 1 comes first and then 8 comes next. 1 10 and 8 ones make 18. Now look at the picture, count and say aloud 18 please. Now let's have a little activity. Join all ones with 8s to make 18. Now trace number 18. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.